Hi, this is John, and today I want to show you how to use Google Translate to use what's called conversation mode. So this is kind of a new addition to Google Translate. It's not a 100% conversation, but it's kind of like a similar type of conversation you can have with Google Translate, in that the what you put in will be spoken back to you with a audio voice. So let's try this. So down here is my icon for Google Translate. I will use that to get it to open. And here we can see the home screen. And over here in the left-hand corner, it says conversation. So if I press that right there, so now we're in conversation mode. And so that was something I was working with previously. Let me click that off. And we need to get the volume up a little bit louder. Okay, now, so what we're going to do is speak in English, and then it will translate to Russian. Now, you can make it translate to any language you want to, but I practice Russian, so I have it in Russian. But you could do Spanish, German, French, whatever. So it's set up for English. So here's the microphone for English. Now, I could click the microphone for Russian and speak in Russian, but I'm going to click the microphone and speak in English, and I'll just make something up. So here we go. Hello, Jim. This is John, and today was a very busy day for me. I spent the entire day working in the garden, and then I spent some time feeding the chickens. Then I had to wash the car. It was a really busy day. Tell me, how was your day? So then I click.
Привет, Jim.
Oh, it was starting to do it. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just come over here and hit it.
Привет, Jim. Это Джон, и сегодня у меня был очень напряженный день. Я целый день работал в саду, потом некоторое время кормил цыплят, потом мне пришлось мыть машину. Это был действительно напряженный день. Скажи мне, как прошел день?
Okay, let's try that in a different language. Let's go over to maybe Spanish or German, because I practice those also. And so here's Spanish right here. And so I'm going to click on the microphone for English, but then I'm not going to click the secondary microphone. It should just play by itself. I got a little ahead of myself last time. So let's try Spanish here. Hi, this is John, and today I spent quite a bit of time practicing the piano. I was working on Beethoven's Moonlight Sonata, and I think I got only like 3 measures accomplished, and I just had 300 more to go. It's a very difficult song to play, but very popular and very beautiful song.
Hola, soy John y hoy dediqué bastante tiempo a practicar el piano. Estaba trabajando en la sonata Claro de Luna de Beethoven y creo que solo logré 3 compases y solo me quedan 300 más. Es una canción muy difícil de tocar, pero muy popular y muy hermosa.
Okay, so if you wanted to play it again, there's a little speaker icon up here, and you can press that. It'll play it again.
Hola, soy John y hoy dediqué bastante tiempo a practicar el piano.
And then if you want to stop it,
trabajando
there's
en
the
la-
stop button right there like that. We'll try another one. Let's try German, and we'll get a new text going here for German, something different. We're getting close to the G's. Here's German over here. Okay, German, Deutsch. And this time I'm going to speak English, get a new storyline going. So I'm not sure what I'm going to say. It's just going to be spontaneous. Today the world is really crazy. There's strife in Iran. There's strife in Israel. There's war in
Heute
Ukraine.
ist die Welt wirklich verrückt. Es gibt einen Streit im Iran. Es gibt Streit in Israel.
I can continue, so watch this. However, the good news is that Santa Claus is coming in December, and that's not too long ago, and Santa Claus will bring gifts to everybody, and everybody will be happy, and all the strife and misery will go away.
Die gute Nachricht ist jedoch, dass der Weihnachtsmann im Dezember kommt und das ist noch nicht allzu lange her. Der Weihnachtsmann wird allen Geschenke bringen und alle werden glücklich sein und all dieser Streit und dieses Elend werden verschwinden.
Sehr gut. Okay, so this is a really good thing to practice foreign languages with using Google Translate. It's just a little bit nicer because you don't have to type things in and everything's together in one screen. It's called conversation, so it's not quite conversation. Now, if you really want to have a actual conversation, you need to go to a ChatGPT 4.0, and you can talk directly to ChatGPT, and they will listen and talk and answer your questions, talk directly back to you. And I'll do that. I did that once already, and I'm going to do it again because there are so many different things you can do with that, and it just really an excellent tool for language study in high school, college, or just as a hobby. Okay, this is John signing off. Have a good day, and auf Wiedersehen.